I just feel like as a mom, I need to have bags on me all the time. Anyone else? And a random colouring pencil. I'm such a fun mom. Hey guys, so today is a video I've been wanting to make for ages. Hang on, there's something flashing. I'm just gonna ignore whatever's flashing in my screen. Apologies for all the mess behind me. We've just got back from holiday and are still kind of unpacking. So there's a bunch of toys here and so many clothes on the floor here that I pushed out of the way. But yeah, I just wanted to film this today because it's been on my mind and I feel like today is the day. Anyway, today I'm talking about my baby changing bag and everything that's inside it. Well, not like the stuff that's for me, like wallet and keys, because that's kind of boring, but stuff that I take around for Jack and Sonny. So let's get on with the video. So my baby changing bag, as you've probably guessed from the title of this video, is quite minimal. There's not that much in it. Also, I try to keep it zero waste. First up, I have this rucksack as my baby changing bag. I've always had a rucksack. I just don't understand why you wouldn't have a rucksack. They're the most comfortable. I just pop it on my back. It can get quite heavy, so like anything across the front or just holding, no, not for me. I've always been a backpack kind of girl, and this Eastpak one I've had since Jack was born, so 3.5 years, and it literally looks like brand new. Whenever it needs a bit of a clean up, I just pop it on a cold wash in the washing machine and it comes out good as new. It's amazing quality. I absolutely love Eastpak, and it's also dark coloured, so I don't have to worry about staining or anything. And yeah, it's generally just my fave bag. I think it's Aztec, that's what it's called. To be honest, they probably don't even sell it because it was a while ago that I bought it. But this is what I use. It's not one of those bags with all the different compartments because it isn't specifically a changing bag, but it has got a front pouch which is useful for keeping little things like dummies and stuff. Oh, and it has really nice padded straps as well. First things first, nappies. So obviously depending on how long we're going to be out, I tend to take, on average I suppose, 3 reusable nappies with me. Now I've talked loads about reusable nappies. I'll link to the different videos I've made about them here or here. But basically I like the Bambino Mio, which are these ones. They're an all-in-one, and for me they just seem to tick all the boxes. Maybe it's just Sonny's shape. Jack's out of nappies now a while ago, but they just work. I've never had leaking with them. I've started putting Sonny in them overnight as well, with like an extra booster. But yeah, I love them, so I tend to take a couple of these out with me. Also, look how cute the patterns are. Sun and moon, little zebras. This one's probably my favourite, koala in bamboo. Anyway, that's not the point, so I'll take a couple of these nappies. Next up, wipes. I do not use baby wipes, instead I use these, which are cheeky wipes. And what I'll do is, before we go out, damp, probably about 10 to be honest, 10 to 20 a lot. To be honest, you can just use any cut up piece of material, they make just as good wipes. And I just pop them in this bag, seal them up. I really feel like you cannot ever have enough wipes on you, like wiping runny noses, dirty faces after eating, mucky hands, liners. So these are for the nappies. I put these inside the Bambino Mio as a liner. So you're probably wondering where all the mucky stuff goes. That's where wet bags come in. So I've got 2 wet bags that I take out with me. This one and this one. This one is awesome because it's big, first of all. So I tend to put the dirty nappies in there. And what's really cool about it is that there's a zip that just goes across like this, and you cannot smell anything, I promise you guys. The other thing that's cool about it is that it's got this strip with popper here. So if I needed to, for example, and this would be containing things like clean wipes, I might like strap it onto the handle of my buggy and just have that so it's always accessible and keep my wipes and stuff in there. And I also have this wet bag, which I also take out, which is a bit smaller. But this one's also really cool, but it seals really nicely. It's got this strip here and then this clip here, and then you can fold it over like this and keeps all nasty smells away, and yeah, also just really cute. And what I'll do when I get home, I will just pop all the dirty nappies and all the dirty wipes straight into the washing machine. You can put these straight in the washing machine, so I just literally turn it inside out and throw them all in. I will also tend to take just like a cloth napkin out with me. Again, I feel like you can never have too many of these, just for like wiping up mess on tables. Ditto bags, so I inevitably end up buying something when we're out, something for dinner or some veg or something, so I'll always have a bag on me, maybe 2. I just feel like as a mom I need to have bags on me all the time. Anyone else? As an emergency, I will also take 1 disposable nappy out with me. You can see from like how it's all kind of folded up, I've never ever had to use it. It just stays at the bottom of the bag, but just in case there's like some huge I don't know what. What else? This little stainless steel container, which I always fill with snacks, and it's just like the perfect size. It's not too big, but also big enough to fit a decent amount of stuff in it. Right now, I think, yeah, it's got some rice cakes in it. Continuing on the theme of food, the boys have their own little snack bag. So in here, I will put usually some fruit. So they've got a banana in here now. And then I also will take out their straws for them, because you'll be surprised how many times we go into a cafe and they give them plastic straws, or equally, I just feel like if we go somewhere and I give them one of their straws, it just kind of transforms a glass of water into something fun. I'm such a fun mum. Dummies, obviously. Reusable coffee cup for me. This is my keep cup. I take it everywhere. I absolutely love it. I love the colours. I love it. My water bottle, which is my Camel pack, I take this everywhere I go as well. The kids are of an age now where they can drink out of it. I don't need to take separate bottles or cups out for them, so they will also sip from this during the day. And then finally, I'll take like a bag of small toys for the kids. So in here, I've got like a book for Jack, a little Peppa Pig for Sonny, trains. You guys know how much I love trains because the kids love them. What else? More trains, and a random colouring pencil. That is pretty much it. I try and keep my changing bag really, really minimal and only take the real things I need out with me. There's probably so many things I should have but I don't take. For example, a spare change of clothes for the kids. This is something that I keep meaning to put into the changing bag to have because, well, I just feel like as a mum you should have that, even though we've actually never ever been caught short because, I don't know, worst case scenario, Sonny's nappy leaks or something and I have to put him in a new nappy and his trousers are a bit wet or something. I don't think that's that big of a drama. Given how many times they've needed spare clothes, which is probably like once, I just don't think it's worth taking up the space in my bag. My backpack's also quite small, as you've seen, which I liked. I like to keep it light and quite minimal. What else do you keep in your changing bag that I've missed out that is along the lines of this minimal zero waste theme? Please comment below with your thoughts and what you think I'm missing out. And otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye!